Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can install WordPress on your offline server. If you don't know what you call offline server, it's more like an online server that helps you to showcase your website to the world. So in this tutorial, I'll be making use of XAMPP. We have other ones called WAMP, and as the case may be. But in this tutorial, I'll be using XAMPP. So you can learn how to install WordPress using XAMPP. So go back to my desktop. I have XAMPP control panel. I have installed XAMPP already. If you don't know how to install XAMPP, you can read up online how to install it. So I'm trying to run my XAMPP server. Still loading. Kindly be patient. Okay, there we go now. So what I'll be needing for now, I'll be needing my Apache and I'll be needing my SQL. So I'll start Apache, I'll start my SQL. Then I'll go to my preferred browser. It's not responding at the moment. Kindly bear with me. Okay, so it's up and running now. So you go to your preferred browser. In this tutorial, I'll be making use of Firefox, Mozilla Firefox. So you type in localhost /php myadmin. It's still loading. I don't know why it's taking this long today. Okay, it should be up and running now. Okay, this is the dashboard for PHP myadmin. Before you can start using WordPress on your offline server, you need to create a database. So you come to new, you give your database a name. For the sake of this tutorial, I will name it tutorial, and I say create. As you can see here, the database has been created. I need to download the WP offline installer. I already have that installed. I don't need to download it. So what I will just do, I'll go to, I have it installed on my system. I don't need to bother myself. So what I will do, I'll go to where I saved it. I'll copy the content like this. Let's make use of this one. I downloaded this one today for the sake of this tutorial. You copy, then you navigate back to your local disk. For the sake of this tutorial, I told you I'll be using XAMPP. So in this folder, you double click, then you locate htdocs. If you are using WAMP, you will see something like www folder. So I have not created a folder for what I'll be doing. So I need to create a folder for the website to be created. So new, and you give it a name. Because I said my database will be tutorial, and I also want my website name to be tutorial, then I'll give it a name. I will name it tutorial. Then inside it, I will paste the WP content. Okay, so I can extract all the contents here. Extract here. Kindly be patient. Okay, once it finishes, then we can proceed. Okay, it's done. So I can delete this. We don't need it anymore. Okay, it's not done yet. It's not done yet. So we are done. You can delete it now. So what I want us to do here now, you double click to open, you use Ctrl A to highlight everything, Ctrl X to cut it out, then paste it outside this WordPress folder like this. Then delete this folder. We don't need it anymore. You can delete it. The reason why I'm deleting it is because when I go back to localhost and I type in tutorial, it wouldn't pop up with what I'm expecting. It will say the WordPress folder first. So what I will be doing here now, I've copied the contents to tutorial folder. Tutorial folder is our website folder where all our content resides. So I'll go back to my Firefox. I'll create a new tab. Then this time around, I'll type in localhost / the name of my website, that's tutorial, and click enter. Yeah, so there we go. Now all you need to proceed to the next level is your database name, database username, database password, database host, then the table prefix. So let's go, click let's go. The database name here is what we created here. Tutorial is my database name. So you come back to this place, you claim this, you type in tutorial, username, it's the username is root, password should be blank, although you can use a password for your database. For my other database I use password, but for the sake of this tutorial I'm using no password, it will be blank. So I'll claim this. Your database host is localhost. The table prefix you can leave this. Then you click submit. As you can see, we are good to go now. Alright, Sparky, you have made it through this part of the installation. WordPress can now communicate with your database. If you are ready, time now to move. Let's go. Run the installation. So, another phase of the tutorial. The site name, let me give it tutorial again. Tutorial. Then the username, I'll just say tutorial. The password, as none of your business. So create your password. If your password is weak, you can say confirm use of weak password. Although I will delete this content when I'm done with this tutorial. Then you can put your email address. If you click this, your site will be private. It won't be indexed by the search engine. So you leave it. Then you click install WordPress. I don't need to save this. Please bear with me. I'm running a lot of things underneath. That's why it's taking this time to leave me. Okay. Then I type in the username and the password. I can say remember me, then you click login. Then save. The reason why I'm not saving is because when someone else uses this laptop and goes to privacy, you get to know the password. So there we go. Now you can check this and see how it looks. Okay, this is how your demo website will look like. But in this tutorial, I will not be teaching you how to customize it. The main aim of this tutorial is to teach you how you can install WordPress on your offline server. I remain Paul. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.